everybody. Just giving you guys an update on the car. The build day is supposed to be next Tuesday, the 12th of December. Right now, I've got a tentative date of January 3rd, picking up the car at the museum on a Wednesday. Hopefully everything goes well and we actually get this car built, and then the weather cooperates and get the car picked up and brought back. But with trading in the ZL1, coming up in a couple weeks here, I going down the road, down the interstate, and of course, vehicle lost a piece of something off of a trailer. I didn't see it at the time, obviously. I would have tried to avoid it, but there wouldn't have been much I could have done. But it definitely hit the car. Thankfully, all it did was damage the front splitter. So had a Chevrolet order me one, having that put on. Minor setback. Thank God it didn't happen when I had the Corvette. That would have been disaster. A lot more expensive too. That's the nice thing about the ZL1 1LE with the splitters and stuff. I mean, they're just composite plastic, so the cost of them aren't that much. But I'm gonna put the cost in the video. I'll show you the receipt here. And then show you a close-up of what it did on the damage, along with the video, because I did have my PDR going, so you can actually see it get kicked up onto the car.
We tried Viagra and Cialis, but they didn't help, so we went to see the specialists at Choice Hotel. After one office visit, we saw instant results. Our relationship was changed completely. He is back to his normal self and giving me the attention that I've longed for the past few years.
Thank you, Choice Men's Health. Results were immediate, game changer.
Unfortunate, but these things happen, especially when you're daily driving the vehicle. I did pass 20,000 miles on the car, other than just, things you generally with my stupidity, like the easy up that went into the car and things like that. I haven't really had any issues with the car, not anything major. It's been an excellent car. Wish I could keep both, but it's just, there's no way I can do both with how much this Corvette's going to be. It just doesn't make sense to try to do that. Anyway, I hope you all have a safe and great day, and see you guys on the next one.